The would-be academicians after their investiture. Tomorrow, right? Okay. Whose exceptional contributions to science and technology have earned them this prestigious recognition. So, may we request our new members to please stand as I introduce you one by one. For our new academicians, we call on first Dr. Joseph S. Masangkay. Dr. Masangkay is recognized for his pioneering work in veterinary diagnostics and pathology. His notable achievements include identifying selenium toxicity in tamaraws and conducting the necropsy of lolong. Do you remember lolong? Hindi po ito yung mga lolo natin, ha? Lolong is the world's largest saltwater crocodile in captivity until its death on February 10, 2013, at an estimated age of 50 years old. It measured 6.17 meters long and was caught in 2011 in Agusan del Sur. So, remember lolong. Dr. Masangkay's contributions for teaching and research have earned him the title of Father of Veterinary Pathology in the Philippines. Ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Joseph S. Masangkay.